Hello, in this video I am going to tell you how could you create a category inside your department. For that just go to this URL lms.kite.edu/course. So once you go to this URL, this page would appear. Here take your login and password is by default your employee ID. The password you could change later on, but initially it is your employee ID. The same username is and password both are same, your employee ID. Once you log in, go to your department. Excuse me, this is once you log in and inside your department, so you will get these button, add a new course and course pending approval. Course pending approval is disabled, so you can't use this button right now. And if you would like to create a course directly here in this area, you would choose this button, but there is no need to create course directly inside in your department. So to create a category, click on this manage courses button. Now here there is a button create new category. Just click on that. In parent category, the name should be your department. This name should be of your department. There are multiple other name, but it doesn't matter. You can't do anything inside those department. So choose your department, create a category name. In this case, in our scenario, it would be the name of some faculty. So let's say if I would write some faculty name like, so this is one faculty, I just put his name. Click on the create category button. This has been created under this department name, computer science and information technology. Now we have to assign a faculty. This is just the name of faculty and actual faculty is not associated with this category. So in order to add a actual faculty with this category name, just click on a gear icon, assign roles. There are two roles, manager and course creator. You would have to choose manager. Once you click on manager, these two boxes would be open. In the left hand side box, there is a name which are already have some authority in this course. So these are two things. The parent category is the department name, and for department name the course coordinator name would be here. So here it is my name. In your case, your name would appear here in this user form category area. Now I have to put Om Prakash sir as a faculty inside this category. So just I have to search his name here. Now to make the search easy, what we do is we simply create a department name inside a square bracket for all the faculty members. So if I have to pick any faculty from IT department, I would write IT inside the square bracket. So all the faculty name of IT department would appear here. So just pick, since I have created a category name Om Prakash, so I just pick this Om Prakash sir from this faculty list and put the button, click the button add. Now that faculty is be a manager of this Om Prakash category. So Om Prakash sir, who is the teacher, is a manager inside this Om Prakash category. So now go to your dashboard, or anyway you could write here again the lms.kite.edu/course. So you again be there. So you will be again on this page. Just click on one more time to make another faculty name, another faculty category. So just the process will repeat. Simply click on the course manage course button and create new category. So if you are picking in this style that create a category and assign the faculty name. So you have to complete this cycle what I have did earlier. But what one more option is there what you could do for you. First you create all the categories first, and then one by one you pick you assign faculty inside those categories. The benefit of this style is you don't have to switch from one window to another window. Just click on new category, put some name, click on category name. So you will be on the same page from where you could again click on the create new category and you would create another category. So once you create all the faculty name category, after that you could assign actual faculty inside those categories. So it's up to you what way you would like to do. Name. Likewise, you would create all the category name first, and then you could assign actual faculty inside those categories.